And good morning, everyone, and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and making money doing all those things. So let's get straight into it. And happy Halloween to everyone who is going to be out trick-or-treating today and having fun with the kiddos and stuff like that. Or if you're an older kid, then be safe out there. Let's go straight to the risk disclaimer screen and see what's going on. And because I live in the United States and this is something I have to do. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative, with a higher risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So with that being said, let's get straight into the dealio today. Let's see what's going on today. So here is my demo account. I still have one trade going on right now in the UJ. And I bought back in at 154, just about 154 proper, 154.008. And got it on the pullback about here. So that's was kind of fun. Not getting a whole lot of movement on it, so I may be closing this trade out soon. I don't like the way these two have come really close to a double top on the 4-hour chart, which is usually an indication of a pullback. That pullback will probably come back down to about 35, which is where my stop loss is. And then before probably resuming the trade. So we will see what happens with that shortly. I'll keep an eye on that during the day. In the meantime, let's get on to the other things. Let's get on to the... Said go away. Okay, there we go. We've got this. Here's the decision for the 25 basis cut on December. Right now, the current target is 375 to 4%, or 375 to 400 basis points, depending on how you look at it. And we were looking at a 99.9% chance earlier this week, and now it's down to 66.8. So Fed being a little bit more cautious about their wording and everything. So we'll see if they're going to do another rate cut. They may not. Who knows? We'll leave that to what the Fed's going to do later. Here is the DXY. DXY is showing some strength right here. Since they pulled back on the rate cut idea, then for December, still a long way to go before we get there, and that's what's going on with that. Oh yeah, something else I wanted to point out is tomorrow's November the 1st. That's when we start the November the 1st trading contest with Audacity Capital. And I'll definitely be involved with that. I will keep you posted on what's going on with that. Okay, so now we continue with this. We have the DXY showing some strength and showing some indecision going into the weekend, or the close of today's business. Today we've got the euro versus the dollar. Euro versus the dollar again on the daily chart. On the daily, showing some perkiness right here at about 140, 115.7, 115.6 ish area. So show a little bit of resistance showing up there. Not sure if it's going to continue through that. UJ. Got a nice doji being formed up here at the top on the dailies. That's another thing that makes me consider that we've got a possible double top on the 4-hour. Got a doji forming on the daily. It's right here in the middle of this sell zone. I've got all the reason to close out these trades and get out of it alive. Get out of it with a little bit of profit, and I may end up doing that. Pound versus the yen. See what's going on here. Something's going on in Great Britain. It's going straight down compared to the dollar, so it's not really doing well at all. I've got a strong low right here at 113.17 according to Smart Money Concepts. Key downside support target level is right here at 130.79. Below 130.79, I don't see anything coming beneath this for a while. So let's go to the weekly. This may be the trade next week, going into next week, we after this key support level, 129.35 is the next will be the next resistance level. And after that, there's not a whole lot holding it up for a while. So that may be selling the pound may be a fun thing to do. It's already broken the daily and the 4-hour support trend lines. Probably look for a target right around here, around 128 on this trend line. If it breaks that trend line, it's got a long way to go, down to 121. So something funky's going on in Great Britain. Maybe we can profit from it. Pound versus the yen. Again, same thing. It's kind of stalling out on the weekly chart. Come down to the daily. Let's get it down here. Strong on way down there. Not gonna worry about that. We're nowhere near that right now. Broke the 4-hour support trend line. Broke out of this channel it was trading in. Looks like it's going more sideways for now, which is unusual for the UJ. UJ is usually not one of those that goes sideways. If it does, it doesn't do it for very long before it breaks out somewhere. UCAD. Let's go to the UCAD next. UCAD, that would have been a nice area to come into a couple of days ago when that candle finished. So yesterday morning would have been a good time to consider whether or not to come into this trade, 139.40 up to 140, about 60 pips. Been good. It's not a really volatile market right now. So would have been a nice little snag, but I did not do that. I stayed in the UJ and made a little bit of money there. CAD versus the yen. This is another clear indication that these yen pairs are not going quote unquote to the moon, which nothing goes to the moon in Forex. It pulls back, goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back. CAD versus the yen, not starting to falter a little bit, and again we've got a large selling area right here according to the Smart Money Concepts indicator that I have in here. I don't have my Bollinger Bands turned on. How about that? And we have weakening volume. I'm going to be a little bit selfish here, and a lot of weakening volume here. So it's trading volume is starting to dry up. I think everyone's going to go home for the holidays, or for, I mean, it's not an official holiday, but it is kind of a tongue-in-cheek holiday. Halloween. Here we have the Aussie versus the dollar again. Faltering a good bit against the dollar. Hit this area of, we'll call it over demand. Selling is another way to put it. That people that comes into this red area and starts selling. It didn't really stay in that red area much longer against the dollar right there. Gold. Gold is being gold. Gold is struggling right around the 4,010 area, or 4,022 area. So that's not necessarily a bad thing. Gold going up like this is a scary trade right there, because it also means that something in the financial system is breaking. That people are flocking to gold. We don't want that. We don't want something to break in the financial system, although it's a mess sometimes if you really get down to it. The 48 silver, 48 94, 96, kind of hanging around the 49 level, which is also an indicator that gold is not going to pull back anytime soon. Gold, see what those Bollinger Bands are doing. They're doing fine. They are just cruising right along. But the dollar versus the yen, it is severely drying up today. And with that, that is about all I got for today. So, happy Halloween. If you're going to go out and be part of the shenanigans tonight, then by all means be safe and have fun. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button and like it. If you want to see when more of these videos are going to come out, then by all means subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified of when I put out more of these videos. And lastly, if you have any comments, by all means feel free to comment and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. So you guys have a great one. I will talk with you later. Bye.